Here's what to check whenever you're troubleshooting your power. Now, with your engine off and not plugged into shore power core, always check your battery level. Make sure that if it's dropping below 12 volts, that you're going to plug your van into shore power core. Now, if it goes below 12 into 11, 10 volts, you're going to notice things not functioning like the lights, AC, TVs, etc. And sometimes not your master power coming on or the Fireflies itself. In that case, if we can't see our charge here, I'm going to show you where to look at it. Here's what to look for if you can't turn on your master power or Fireflies. You're just basically going to hit here on your Xantrex inverter the OK button, and it should give you the voltage here and your battery level. Now, if these are not coming on either, just plug in your shore power cord about 24 hours until it's 13.5 to 14 volts.